Hi guys, today we are going to start English 2, The Tempest. Today day is Thursday, date 28, 2020, see class 11. The Tempest Act 1, we have done little bit. Scene 1, line number 24, page number 20. Yes, see, mistake is there. Yeah, line number 24. No, it is 20. Line number 20. Page number is 24. Page number 24. All right. So here we have seen that captain, that is master, is ordering officers, boatswain, it is pronounced boatswain, to order, you can say, mariners, sailors to control the ship because the storm is created. The storm has overtaken the ship, and this master and boatswain and crew members, they are mariners, they have to control the ship. Otherwise, ship will, you can say, collide against a rock, it will be pushed, you can say, in good speed, because the wind, you can say, is pushing the ship, you can say, in one direction, and it will go and collide against a rock. The ship, you can say, will wreck. All the members, all the people on the ship, they will get drowned and they will die. And the ship, you can say, will also get wrecked. That is what we are going to see here. So here boatswain is of course trying his best to control the ship, though people, they come, you can say, his way and they become hindrance. So he shouts at them, tells them, go back to your cabin, don't, you can say, help the storm to get the ship wrecked, and everybody, you can say, will be drowned. So don't help the storm, you help us, and you will help us when you will keep yourself in the cabin below, you can say, the deck. Now see here, boatswain says here, none that I more love than myself. You are a counselor if you can command these elements to silence. Now Gonzalo says here, okay, would yet remember whom thou hast aboard. So here Gonzalo just tells boatswain officer, okay, don't forget how many people are, you can say, on the ship, how many, you can say, officers, or you can say king, queen, they are, you can say, on the ship. So don't forget this. Then boatswain answers, none that I more love than myself. He says, nobody, you can say, I love more than, you can say, I love myself. In other words, I love myself more than others, though they are, you can say, king, duke, as well as, you can say here, courtiers. Though they are, you can say, on the higher post, I do not love anybody more than myself. You are a counselor, Gonzalo, you are a counselor, you are an old man, you are an honest man, you are a pious man, you are a counselor. If you can command these elements to silence, if you order these, you can say, elements, like the storm, that is lightning, that fire at different places, area, you can say, got himself lit, and it is not burning like a flame. So boatswain tells Gonzalo, if you order these elements, the storm, this lightning, thunder, and this fire to subside, if you can command these elements to silence and work the peace of the present and make, you can say, this present atmosphere, you can say, peaceful, we will not, you can say, hand a rope more. We are not going to handle, you can say, any rope more. You specify the, you can say, atmosphere, a storm, weather, thunder, lightning. Then of course, I will not, you can say, handle any rope. I will not pull any rope. I will not, you can say, anchor. I will not drop anchor, and so on. Use your authority. Use your authority to subdue this storm. Use your power and authority to subdue, control, you can say, this storm. If you cannot If you cannot, you can say, subdue this storm, if you cannot, you can say, subside this storm, if you cannot control this storm and make this atmosphere, you can say, peaceful at present, give thanks you have lived so long. You have to, you can say, give thanks to me, to, you can say, mariners, to captain, to, you can say, master. Master is captain. So give thanks, you have lived so long. You have to thank us that, okay, you can survive, okay, you have survived so far. And make yourself ready in your cabin for the mischance of the hour, and go back to your cabin, and of course get ready yourself to meet this misfortune if I am not able to control the ship in this disturbed atmosphere, in this storm, thunder, lightning, and so on. So go back, okay, and make yourself ready in your cabin for the mischance, for the misfortune of the hour, misfortune of this time. If it so happen, if it so happens, if our ship is going to get wrecked, then get ready in your cabin to meet, you can say, with your death. Cheerly, good hearts. He says here, heartily, cheerly, heartily. Okay, good hearts, okay. You brave, you can say, fellows, you brave fellows, mariners, carry on. Out of our way, you people get out of our way. Don't come and become, you can say, hindrance in our way. I say, I am telling you, get lost from here, go back to your cabin and keep yourself in the cabin. If you stay here, if you run here and there, you are disturbing us, you will mar our labor, you will, you can say, become a big hindrance, big problem for us in our work. Gonzalo says. Now Gonzalo is a pious man, he is an old counselor. Now see what he says here. I have great comfort from this fellow. He says, I have great comfort from this fellow called, you can say, boatswain, this officer. Methinks he hath no drowning mark upon him. And I think there is no, you can say, drowning mark upon him. That means I am sure he will not get drowned in the ocean. He will not get drowned in the ocean means our ship will be in the safe side. He will control the ship and ship will not wreck. And once the ship is not wrecked, then we are, you can say, in the safe side. All of us will survive. His complexion is perfect gallows. His, you can say, general perfection you have, complexion. His complexion, you can say, is perfect gallows. Complexion here means general, you can say, of course, appearance. His general appearance is, or his appearance is, he will of course die on the gallows. Gallows, you can say, you find, you can say, in the jail, okay, where you can suppose one man, with the convict will be hanged till death. The murderer will be hanged till death. It is called gallows. So he says here, his complexion is perfect gallows. His appearance, you can say, is perfect gallows. That means boatswain will be, you can say, hanged, you can say, till death. If boatswain, you can say, is going to be hanged, he will be hanged, you can say, on the gallows. Okay, he will die on the gallows, not, you can say, here in the ocean. He will not be drowned in the ocean. And once he is not drowned in the ocean, certainly he will keep our ship in the safe side. Once our ship is in the safe side, he will not be drowned, so he will die on the gallows. That is what he says. Gonzalo, stand fast, good fate. He says here, okay, good fate, fortune, destiny. Okay, be firm. To his hanging, be firm, you can say, his hanging. That means if he dies, he will die on the gallows, not, you can say, in the ocean, by getting the ship wrecked and getting drowned. So fate, please stick to this, you can say, decision. This, you can say, of course, his hanging, and let him die, you can say, if he is going to die on the gallows, not, you can say, not by drowning. Make the rope of his destiny our, you can say, cable, for our own growth little, you can say, advantage. Now that's what Gonzalo says here. Make the rope of his destiny. Destiny means fate. So make the rope, you can say, of his fate our, you can say, safety. So once, you can say, he is hanged, you can say, on the gallows, we are in the safe side. That means the ship will be kept, you can say, in the safe side. Ship will be controlled by boatswain, and if he is going to die, he will die on the gallows. So he says here, make the rope of his, of course, you can say here, destiny our cable, our safety, for our own growth little advantage, for our own growth little, you can say here, benefit. So if he dies on the gallows, we are benefited, we will be in the safe side, our ship will not get wrecked, we will survive, and if he is going to die, he will die on gallows. Who? Boatswain. if he be not born to be hanged, if he is not, you can say, born to be hanged upon the gallows, our fate, our case is miserable. In that case, our case is miserable. Suppose Bosway's officer is not going to be hanged, you can say, on the gallows, then our case is miserable. Why it will be miserable? Because our ship, you can say, will face danger. Okay, he will not die on the gallows, that means he will not control the ship, it will be drowned in the ocean, and we will also get drowned along with Bosway officer, you can say, in the ocean. So he says, if he is not, you can say, destined to die, you can say, on gallows, our case is miserable. It will be, you can say, drowned along with Bosway. Now see here, what you can say is page number 25. Re-enter Bosway. Officer once again appears on the stage. What Bosway says? Down with the topmast. He is ordering, you can say, his crew members. He is ordering the sailors to down with the topmast. Mast, you can say this now. Thick canvas, you can say clothes. Bring it down. Okay. Yeah, lower. He says here, do it promptly. Means do it promptly. Do it immediately, because the storm is becoming very intense, very powerful. Bring the topmast down very quickly, very fast. Lower. He says here, bring it lower still. Okay, lower still. Bring the topmast lower still. Yet lower still, you have to bring it. Bring her to try with the main course. He says, bring the ship close to a stationary position. Stationary because you have constant. It will not, you can see, move either left or right, or you can see here forward or backward. If it, you can say, that remains, you can say, at stationary position, constant position, okay, it will be, then of course the ship, you can say, will not get stuck in the sand. So, okay. Bring her to try with the main course. So bring the ship closer, bring the ship close to a stationary position with the help of the mainsail. With the help of the mainsail, bring the, you can say, ship to a constant position, a stationary position, so that ship will not move, you can say, either left or right. It will be in the safe side. It will not, you can say, get stuck in the sand. Now see here, a cry within. As singers, you can say, of course, produce howling sound, crying sound, and so on. A plague upon this howling. Now see, of course, Bosway, you can say, shouts at those passengers. What it says? May a curse overtake, you can say, this outcry. May a curse overtake this outcry. So may a curse overtake these people who are, you can say, of course, making hell of a crying sound. They are louder than the weather or our office. This, you can say, passengers are, you can say, producing hell of a noise than, you can say, the storm, or you can say my voice. They are producing more, you can say, crying sound, and so on. Then say here, re-enter Sebastian, Antonio, and Gonzalo. Now see, to Bosway tells Sebastian, and of course you can say others. What he says here? Yet again, he says here, so you have come here again. So you have come here on the deck once again. I am trying to control the ship. Get away from this place. Get lost from this place. Go back to your cabin. Okay. Shall we give over and drown? Shall I, you can say, stop working, pulling the rope, or you can say controlling the rope? Okay, controlling the ship, pulling the rope, controlling the, you can say, ship. Shall I stop? Shall I stop navigating, controlling the ship against this misfortune, this, of course, bad weather? So shall we give over and drown and get ourselves, you can say, drowned? Shall I stop? Shall I give up the word? Shall I give up the, you can say, of course, controlling the ship and get ourselves, you can say, drowned? Have you a mind to sink? Are you prepared? Are you prepared to, you can say, get yourself drowned in the ocean? He is asking. Bosway is asking from Sebastian. Now Sebastian says, a plague on your throat. He says here, you howling, impious, okay, unsympathetic dog. Okay, may your throat be, you can say, afflicted with some horrible disease, so that you may not, you can say, continue to shout at us. He said, he is just shouting at him. He is saying, okay, you are impious, unsympathetic, you are, you can say, producing howling voice. So sympathetic man, your throat may be, you can say, afflicted with some disease, so that, okay, you will stop producing howling noise. Okay, you bowling, blasphemous, uncharitable dog. He says here, okay, you are impious. You are impious, unsympathetic dog. Sebastian shouts at, you can say here, Bosway, the officer, and he says, you are, you can say here, impious, unsympathetic dog. You are your throat will be infected, you can say, with disease for shouting at me like this. Now Boswell says here, work you then. He says here, in that case, okay, you take over, you can say, our duties. You take over my duties and you do work. Okay, you start working, I will take rest. Now see, Antonio says here, hang, car, hang. He says here, may you be hanged. Okay, car means dog. So may you be hanged. You insolent noise maker. He says here, you may be hanged. Okay, you son of, you can say, whore. You disrespectful, you can say, noise maker. Okay, you are a worthless dog. We are less afraid to be drowned than thou art. We are less afraid to be drowned in the ocean than you are. Gonzalo, he tells, you can say, his companions. His companions are Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, and he himself. So all there, you can say, his companions. Now here, I shall warrant for him. I shall warrant him for drowning. He says, I assure you, he will not be, you can say, drowned, you can say, in the ocean. He will, you can say, if he is going to die, he will die on the gallows. So I shall warrant him for drowning. Though the ship were no stronger than, you can say, nutshell. Even you can say this ship was, you can say here, quite fragile, or you can say as flimsy as, you can say, of course, a nutshell. This man will not be, you can say, drowned in the ocean. If he is going to die, he will die on gallows. Boatswain, what Boatswain says here? He tells sailors, lay her a hold. He says here, pull at the ropes. He says, he orders, you can say, crew members. He orders, you can say, his, of course, sailors to, of course, pull at the ropes, pull the rope, because the ship is put, you can say, the ship, you can say, is now pushed, you can say, in one direction very fast, in terrific speed, and it's going to, you can say, dash against a rock. So here, officers, you can say, just shouts, you can say, and tells, okay, pull the, you can say, of course, now, pull the ropes, pull at the ropes. A hold, he says here, set the ship, you can say, foresail, as well as, you can say here, its mainsail. Okay, so the top sail, as well as, you can say, foresail, as well as, you can say, mainsail, so as to carry it off to the sea. So you can say, just control the, you can say, of course, the mainsail and of course the foresail, so that the ship, you can say, will go, you can say here, towards the ocean, not towards the rock or towards the, you can say, island. Okay, so set her two foresail off to the sea again. Foresail and mainsail set, you can say, towards the ocean, so that the ship will be in the safe side. It will not, you can say, collide against the rock or, you can say, island, because the storm is blowing and the ship, you can say, is being pushed, you can say, in one direction, and if it collides, then the ship will break. Break means it will break into pieces, and it will, all of them, you can say, will get drowned in the ocean. Okay, lay her off. Okay, steer the ship away from the shore. So move the ship away from the shore. Navigate the ship away from the shore, seashore, so that the ship will be in the safe side. Re-enter mariners wet. All the mariners, you can say, got wet in the, of course, water, you can say, the rain water, as well as this ocean water, sea water. Mariners, now what they say? All lost. So all the sailors are, you can say, saying, all hope of saving the ship, you can say, is now gone. All the hope of saving the ship, you can say, is now gone. To prayers. Okay, start praying to God. Now all of us, you can say, start praying to God. All lost. Okay, start praying to God. All hope of saving our ship, you can say, is lost. Alright. For today only this much. And we shall do it next day or when we get the class. Okay, till then, goodbye. Okay, read.